to make thread load faster on your old phone. So there's a couple of things that you can do. So firstly, let's get into our threads, and in here simply tap on your profile icon right here. Then on the top right corner you can see menu bar, tap on that one, then tap on more settings, then tap on media. So after doing that, make sure that upload at highest quality is turned off just like this, and disable display of HDR media is turned on just like that. After doing that, you are all set on threads. Now what you can do is go back and simply open the settings of your phone. So after opening your settings, scroll down a bit, then tap on general, and in here scroll down a bit, then tap on background app refresh. So after tapping on background app refresh, scroll down until you see the option of thread. Here you can see threads right here. Simply disable this option just like this, and you are all set. Now you can go back and relaunch the application and see whether it's working faster or not, and that's it.